Hey guys, welcome to brosmart, and in this video I'm going to unbox the JBL Endurance Run earphones. So what I have heard that this is the best earphone that you can get around 1000 rupees in India, and now you can purchase it online. So yeah, the box looks really good. You have the image of the earphone or the product, then the JBL logo and the Endurance Run. After that you will see that Dare to Listen and some designs over here, and this cost around 1500 or 1000 rupees. It depends on the offer, but the base price of this variant is 1599, which is around 1600 rupees in India. This headphone won't get damaged when it comes to contact with your sweat. So yeah, I don't think this is entirely waterproof, so whenever you're swimming, I don't think that you can use it. But anyways, if you are exercising, if you're in a gym, you can definitely use it. It won't wear and tear. So yeah, let's open this box. So yeah, you have to pull this cloth like this, and yeah, it will open. Another thing I really love about this box is the magnet. Man, it is super premium. As you can see, here is a magnet. So there is no sellotape or such kind of thing. It is magnet and it feels really premium. So let's just open it. So inside the box you will see a cover like this, plastic cover, which protects the headphone from falling off. So yeah, there's the headphone. This is a black color, and honestly it looks really good inside the box. So let's just open it. You don't have to take off this plastic, but you can actually. So here is the headphone. So as you can see, it is a wired headphone, not a Bluetooth earphone. And yeah, inside the box you will also get these buds. These buds are of gray color. It is also like translucent. Looks good with the black, but I hope they provided a black earbud. It is not a major issue, so you can use it and it looks good. Alright, so I finally took the earphones out, and as you can see, man, the build quality of this earphone is just amazing and out of this world. As you can see, here is the main box where you can see the microphone and also some of the keys to skip the music, to pause the music. The build quality is just awesome. This is a hard plastic, and over the plastic you will get a rubber coating. And yeah, if you just pull the wire, it won't come out, and I don't recommend it, but still, when you are running or you are in a gym, this will never break or never wear off. So yeah, I really like. Oh, the coming to the drivers, man, this is a beast. Just look at this driver. The entire structure is rubberized, and you will get a hard plastic under the rubber coat. On the ear tip you will get a hard rubber like this, a rubber coating. As you can see, it is plastic, but on the plastic will get this coating. This will protect the earphones from your sweat. And yeah, here is the ear tape. Overall, as you can see, the build quality of the entire earphone is just out of this world and amazing. And I won't post the review now. I will post the review after using it for 1 week. But anyways, I think it will be super comfortable. Though the size is looking big, but I don't care. I will just use it, and let's see will it be comfortable or not. I won't say anything now. Anyways, in the next video I will definitely show you. So it has 8.2mm drivers, which is really powerful, and as I mentioned earlier, the build quality is really good. Anyways, talking about the wire quality, this is a circular wire, and I have the Boat earphone. So as you can see, the Boat earphones has a flat type wire. It is tangled free. But talking about the circular wire, this is not tangled free, so it will get tangled if you are constantly using it in gyms or just keeping it in your pocket. It will get tangled. In day-to-day life it won't cause any problem. As you can see, the wire is really long. So there are two magnets, one over here and other over here. So whenever you're not listening to music and want to keep your earphones on your neck, around your neck, not in your pocket, because if you keep the earphones in your pocket it will get tangled. So to avoid that, keep this earphone, the earbud, around your neck, and just attach two earbuds just like this with this magnet. And also there is no noise when you join these two earbuds, and that is I really like, because I used a lot of earphones, wireless earphones in the past, and whenever I connected these two earpieces like this, there was a noise, and some people get irritated by that noise. So yeah, it is a cool feature. There are rubber over here, so that will prevent the earbuds making some noise, like clicking noise. Some people like it, some people don't like it. I personally like the noise, but whenever I'm outdoors, I saw people grudge whenever I made that clicky noise while attaching two earbuds like this with the magnet. And if you are already using this earphone, then definitely let me in the comment section what was your experience, and if you are still using it or not, definitely let me in the comment section. I will definitely add your comment in my upcoming review of this earphone. So yeah, that was my unboxing. Definitely let me in the comment section what do you think about this earphone, and also if you enjoyed watching this video, then drop me a like. That would be a massive help for the channel, and also subscribe to brosmart for more interesting videos just like this one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is brosmart, and I will see you guys with this awesome product in the next video. Thank you so much.